students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are start our new chapter, chapter 12, exponents and powers. When we have to multiply 2 to 2 times, then we easily write 2 into 2 equal to 4. When we have to multiply 3 to 3 times, we can easily write 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 27. Same as when we have to multiply 4 to 4 times, then we can easily write 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 equal to 256. But when we have to multiply the number like 6 to 10 times, 7 to 100 times, then these are the quite lengthy and time consuming process. For this convenient, we use power and exponent. First we understand what is the exponent and then what is the power. Exponent. Exponent of the number says how many times to use the number in the multiplication. How many times to use numbers in multiplication. It means that here we can see that 2 is multiplied to 2 times. Then we can write it as 2 to the power 2. So this 2 is said to be exponent. Same as here we can see that 3 is multiplied to 3 times. So we can write it like 3 to the power 3. Here power 3 is said to be exponent. Same as here 4 is written as 4 to the power 4. Then this 4 is said to be exponent. Same as 6 multiplied to itself 10 times, then we can write it 6 to the power 10. Here 7 is written as 7 to the power 100. Then this 10, this 100 is said to be exponent. So exponent say how many times in a multiplication number is multiplied itself. Next, the number which is multiplied to itself. It means here 6, here 7 is said to be its base. Here 6 is said to be base. And the whole representation is said to be its power. So an expression that represents repeated multiplication of the same factors is called a power. Here we can say that 2 to the power 2 is an expression which explains that 2 is multiplied 2 times, then whole expression said to be a power. So when we understand in a general way, so we can write it. Suppose we have a number a which is multiplied n times, So we can write it a into a up to n times. Then in general we can write it a to the power n. Here n is said to be exponential form, a is base, and whole expression is said to be a power. Okay, so suppose we elaborate it with a general number and we understand it with the help of example. Like we make a table. First we make a table where we can first write expression. Next we write what is base. Next we write what is exponent. And fourth will be factors. Because power is so the factors of a number. So suppose we have a number 5 to the power 3. Then its base is 5. Because here 5 is multiplied to 3 times. So base is 5. Exponent, it means the number which is written in superscript. So here exponent is 3. And factors, it means that how many times this number to multiply. So factors is 5 into 5 into 5. And one more thing. Here we read 5 to the power 3 as 5 to the power 3. Suppose we write 2 power 4. So we can read it 2 to the power 4. And here base is 2, exponent is 4, and factor is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. we have an expression 3 to the power minus 2. Then here base is 3, exponent is minus 2 and factors is 3 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1. Okay, suppose we have a number 5z square. Then here z is multiplied 2 times, then z is base, 2 is exponent and factors. Because this expression is made by 5 into z square, then factors are 5 into z into z. Suppose we have any number minus 4x square. Then here minus 4x is base, exponent is 2 and the factors are minus 4x into minus 4x. I hope this concept is clear. Now we understand what is the negative of exponent. So now we understand what is powers with negative exponent. So any powers with negative numbers said to be powers with negative exponent. For example, if I am written 2 to the power minus 2, then it is the power with negative exponent. Suppose I am write x to the power minus 3, then this is power with negative exponent. Now we understand how we deal with this negative exponent. So this negative exponent is equal to the reciprocal of its positive exponent. It means that 1, reciprocal means 1 by, so here we can write 1 by 2 to the power is positive exponent. It means 2 to the power 2. So I can write it here. Negative exponent is equal to its reciprocal of positive exponent. So for this x to the power minus 3, we can write it as 1 by x to the power 3. Same as 3 to the power minus 5 is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 5. So in general, we can write it as a to the power minus m. Here a is the base, minus m is the negative exponent, is always equal to 1 by a to the power m. Okay. Same as a to the power m is always equal to 1 by a to the power minus m. Okay. Here a to the power minus m is equal to a to the power 1 by a to the power m. Then this is the multiplicative inverse of each other. Multiplicative inverse. So a to the power minus m. We can say that a to the power m is multiplicative inverse of a to the power minus m. We understand it with the help of one example. Like suppose I am written 2 to the power minus 2. Then its multiplicative inverse of 2 to the power minus 2 equal to 2 to the power